The system of Hebrew numerals is a quasi-decimal alphabetic numeral system using the letters of the Hebrew alphabet. The system was adopted from that of the Greek numerals in the late 2nd century BC. It is also known as the Hebrew alphabetic numerals to contrast with earlier systems of writing numerals used in classical antiquity. These systems were inherited from usage in the Aramaic and Phoenician scripts, attested from c. 800 BC in the so-called Samaria ostraca and sometimes known as Hebrew-Aramaic numerals, ultimately derived from the Egyptian Hieratic numerals. The Greek system was adopted in Hellenistic Judaism and had been in use in Greece since about the 5th century BC. In this system, there is no notation for zero, and the numeric values for individual letters are added together. Each unit is assigned a separate letter, each tens a separate letter, and the first 400s a separate letter. The later hundreds are represented by the sum of 2 or 3 letters representing the first 400s. To represent numbers from 1000 to 999,999, the same letters are reused to serve as thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands. Gematria uses these transformations extensively. In Israel today, the decimal system of Arabic numerals is used in almost all cases. The Hebrew numerals are used only in special cases, such as when using the Hebrew calendar, or numbering a list, much as Roman numerals are in the West. Main table, note, for ordinal numbers greater than 10, cardinal numbers are used instead. Speaking and writing, cardinal and ordinal numbers must agree in gender with the noun they are describing. If there is no such noun, the feminine form is used. Ordinal numbers must also agree in number and definite status like other adjectives. The cardinal number precedes the noun, except for the number 1 which succeeds it. The number 2 is special, shnaim and shtayim become shney and shtun followed by the noun they count. For ordinal numbers greater than 10 the cardinal is used. Calculations. The Hebrew numeric system operates on the additive principle in which the numeric values of the letters are added together to form the total. For example, 177 is represented as gigahertz which corresponds to 100 plus 70 plus 7 equals 177. Mathematically, this type of system requires 27 letters. In practice the last letter, tav, is used in combination with itself and or other letters from kov onwards, to generate numbers from 500 and above. Alternatively, the 22-letter Hebrew numeral set is sometimes extended to 27 by using 5 soffit forms of the Hebrew letters. Key exceptions: by convention, the numbers 15 and 16 are represented as a euro and a euro, respectively, in order to refrain from using the 2-letter combinations unregistered trademark a euro and unregistered trademark a euro, which are alternate written forms for the name of God in everyday writing. In the calendar, this manifests every full moon, since all Hebrew months start on a new moon. Combinations which would spell out words with negative connotations are sometimes avoided by switching the order of the letters. For instance, 744 which should be written as Ka euro might instead be written as K or K. Jershayim are inserted before the last letter to indicate that the sequence of letters represents a number rather than a word. This is used in the case where a number is represented by 2 or more Hebrew numerals. Similarly, a single jeresh is appended after a single letter to indicate that the letter represents a number rather than a word. This is used in the case where a number is represented by a single Hebrew numeral. Note that jeresh and jershayim merely indicate not a word. Context usually determines whether they indicate a number or something else. Decimals. In print, Hindu-Arabic numerals are employed in modern Hebrew for most purposes. Hebrew numerals are used nowadays primarily for writing the days and years of the Hebrew calendar. For references to traditional Jewish texts. For bulleted or numbered lists. And in numerology. Thousands and date formats, thousands are counted separately, and the thousands count precedes the rest of the number. There are no special marks to signify that the a euro or a counter euro is starting over with thousands, which can theoretically lead to ambiguity, although a single quote mark is sometimes used after the letter. When specifying years of the Hebrew calendar in the present millennium, Writers usually omit the thousands, but if they do not, this is accepted to mean 5 times 1,000, with no ambiguity. The current Israeli coinage includes the thousands. Date examples: a euro OE Monday, 15 Adar 5764, a euro plus 400 plus 300 plus 60 plus 4, and 15 equals 9 plus 6, in full, a euro OE Monday, 15, th, of Adar, 5764, a euro unregistered trademark K, unregistered trademark cubed K section, a euro common usage, a euro OE Monday, 15, th, of Adar, 764, a euro unregistered trademark K, unregistered trademark K section, a euro OE Thursday, 3 Nisan 5767, a euro plus 400 plus 300 plus 60 plus 7, in full, a euro OE Thursday, 3, RD, of Nisan, 5767, a euro unregistered trademark, unregistered trademark K, unregistered trademark cubed, unregistered trademark section Y cubed K section, a euro common usage, a euro OE Thursday, 3, RD, of Nisan, 767, a euro unregistered trademark, unregistered trademark K, unregistered trademark cubed, unregistered trademark section Y K section, a euro. To see how today's date in the Hebrew calendar is written, see, for example, HTKL date converter. Recent years: 5780 equals K, 5779 currency equals K. 5772 equals K, 5771 equals K, 5770 equals K, 5769 cents equals a euro K section. 5761 equals a euro K section, 5760 equals a euro K. Similar systems, the abjad numerals are equivalent to the Hebrew numerals up to 400. The Greek numerals differ from the Hebrew ones from 90 upwards because in the Greek alphabet there is no equivalent for tsadi. See also, Bible code, a purported set of secret messages encoded within the Torah. Biblical and Talmudic units of measurement, Kol HaMoed, the intermediate days during Passover and Sukkot. Chronology of the Bible, counting of the Omer, gematria, Jewish system of assigning numerical value to a word or phrase. Hebrew calendar, Jewish and Israeli holidays 2000, a euro 2050, Lag BaOmer, 33rd day of counting the Omer. Notaricon, a method of deriving a word by using each of its initial letters. Sephirot, the 10 attributes emanations found in Kabbalah. Significance of numbers in Judaism, weekly Torah portion, division of the Torah into 54 portions. Base 32, a system that can be written with both Arabic numerals and all Hebrew letters, much as how Base 36 is written with all Arabic numerals and Roman letters. References. External links: A Gesenius Hebrew Grammar, AA Section 97, A Section 98, A Section 134, Gematria chart on inner.org,